Guys, welcome back to the Sigma Real Estate Glossary in under 2 minutes. I'm your host, Jimmy O'Done, and the word of the day is APR. So what's an APR? Well, the APR is also known as the annual percentage rate. It's the cost of a loan as an annual rate, and it typically includes the interest rate, any points you're being charged, any broker fees, and certain other credit charges a borrower is required to pay. Why is the APR important? The APR is what you should use as a guide when comparing lenders. This shows you not only what your interest rate is, but it also shows you the true cost of what you're being charged. Whereas your regular interest rate does not include any additional costs associated with your mortgage, and it doesn't always show the full picture. So remember, when interviewing lenders, always ask for the APR and compare that to other lenders, because this will show you the true cost. And if you want to learn more about getting pre-approved, then go ahead and click this link right here and check out our video on things to know when getting pre-approved. There's also a link down below to download a free mortgage checklist with all the items you'll need to get pre-approved. And as usual, if you want to be notified when we release new videos about real estate, then go ahead, hit the subscribe button, ding the bell, and I will see you here next time. I'm Jimmy O'Done, and this is the Sigma Real Estate Glossary in under 2 minutes.